Hello?
Come on, Peter, let's go someplace else.
But Mom, we
No
haven't even...
buts!
Oh! Bitteschön.
Danke.
Well, good day, man. You, one strawberry milkshake, please. Oh, I hope you don't have a fire back there to put out. If so, I'll come back another time.
I'm sure the fire can wait, Commandant. One strawberry milkshake coming right up.
Fireman, I recognize your face. Very Aryan face it is too. Are you at a Station 1?
There you go, Commandant.
Oh, vielen Dank. Now you, show me your identification papers, please. Blazkowicz, shut the fucking front door!